Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to Green Valley Podcast People and Culture series. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
All good.
What a beautiful show, Eclipsa 2025. I'm sure you must be one of the proudest one.
Yeah, I would say not we are the proudest. I would say our learners, our children are the proudest ones actually.
Exactly.
The show went off very well.
Yes.
It was good, and I'm sure you also was one of
I
the
had a view.
audience there
Yes,
watching
I
it.
enjoyed the
Yeah,
whole day.
we were-
Tell me, ma'am, how do you feel throughout the event? How were you really feeling?
It was
was your
good. Yeah, it was good, exciting because we had, I would say, about our practice time and all. It was only for 2 weeks' time actually for our kindergarten
Oh my God.
learners. I
But
would
it
say.
did not look like that.
Yeah, true.
Because
It
the
was
confidence level was
correct.
really high.
We felt it.
Each and every participant showed that on stage.
Yeah,
It looked like they had, practiced for long.
long time. See, for us, basically at Green Valley, what we follow is that we give utmost importance to our curriculum. And we, after our theme, we follow theme for iPlay group. So we had our curriculum ending somewhere in March 10th or so. And after that, they started the practice. That is for iPlay. And 2 weeks' time, they managed it through and through. Then for iDiscover, almost 7 to 8 days. And iLead also approximately that much.
Oh my God.
And within that time, how much ever they practiced is what you saw on that particular day. only
That
to
was
say.
great show.
Yes, they had. We believe in that, utmost importance for our curriculum and then putting effort here in this particular time. Yeah.
So, what would be that one thing, a one takeaway moment or an event or an incident from the whole show?
One of the incident was our Vadidakad pre-KG campus learners, when they went onto the stage, they performed the whole dance, but towards second half of the dance, there was an issue with the audio. They couldn't hear it. Kids couldn't hear it properly. So we had to redo it, Then
Yes.
the best part was we went to the green room and told these kids, okay, they were all about to take off their garlands and change their dress, but thankfully it was not all out. So
Okay.
when we went and told them, like, okay, one more round, you may have to go on the stage, they were all jumping with excitement. They were, like, oh, we are getting one more turn to redo the dance. So it was something amazing to
That's
see.
the cutest.
Yes. And why? That the question is like, why our children are excited to redo this? Because most of the schools here have taught in many schools come from a different background. So I have seen children literally crying, few of them, sometimes you see them, they don't want to go onto the stage. And that fear or something is there, maybe facing the crowd or that freedom is, whatever it may be.
Exactly.
But here in Green Valley, that's the beauty of it. Children are excited to go to the stage and perform it, the whole thing.
No inhibitions.
No inhibitions, no fear, no inhibition. So that is something. Again, I want to come back to that thing, Within this 2 weeks of time, whatever, they could perform, they did it, and they're willing to redo with that same confidence, same joy, same happiness, It was something which is, I can't forget on that.
That is really
Yeah.
special, I think.
Yes.
That whole day, that's the biggest
Correct,
thing,
correct.
especially
That
coming
is-
from the pre-KG learners.
True.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Then,
All right.
yeah.
So, something else that was, really appreciable was the all participation.
Yeah. So for us, I would say annual day is one place where we want to give a good experience or exposure for our learners. And we have our parents. It's a good experience for the parents as well to see their, children on the stage. But here I want to tell, though we give opportunity, there's one place we give opportunity for everyone. You may have seen our music team there, where those team who perform there is we have the Strength PLP. So these children, these particular children,
Okay.
they took this music as a Strength PLP, and we observed, and there's a pattern, there is a way to reach that. So these children have been trained and given exposure, and they went to different places. They have been given the opportunity to perform.
Before performing on it.
Yes, yes. Here you may have seen even our project exhibition time, then Manavya,
Yes.
that place, and small areas or wherever we get the opportunity, we send them and they perform there. And that's the same group who performed for the annual day, right?
That's
There on the stage.
level that they
Yes. So these are our strength PLP learners. Same way we have dance also. We give importance to, like any subject, we give importance to these art related items as
Really helpful.
yeah,
that
that is
really boosts the confidence of the kids.
yes.
Absolutely. So, also, ma'am, one highlight event of the show was the skit.
Yes. The skit,
Tell
yeah.
about the
Yes.
Jane
It
skit.
was really interesting to watch that.
Yes.
So the whole skit, the script from the script till the implementation on the stage,
Okay.
it was done by our learners. So, when you write a script, you can't just sit one. So that's what we are looking at,
Yes.
how many drafts they may have
Yes.
taken,
It
how many
needs a
times
lot of
they
coordination,
Yes.
cooperation,
Yes, and
group
how many
work.
times they may have to practice on their own
Yes,
and
yes.
get feedback, redo it, rework on it. So all these things are, it's like, a package, and they implemented it on the stage, and I would say it came out really
It came out really well. Yes.
It
That
was
was one big highlight of the entire.
interesting. Yeah, interesting to see the way how they voice their expressions and stage management, how they utilize the stage
Yeah.
and the script. It was amazing to see that. That is our iLead team,
Oh,
With that, I'll say you may have listened to one of the songs also, that are
yes.
anthems.
Yeah.
Where, that's again one of our iLead child. His name is Malcolm. So he created that song. And we have our studio here, media studio we have. So he utilized that space for editing, creating the music and bringing it
The
out.
entire
Yeah.
stuff was created in-house.
Yes. From the scratch.
No, it's so sick.
And it's not an easy task, when a child is, working towards it, and how much, again, how intense it must have been for him to
Absolutely.
think through it, connect through it, and bring it out, do the editing,
And that too, in a short period of time.
Correct. And that too, we have our editing experts, but he did it on his own, the whole thing.
Oh.
So that is again,
Brilliant.
I would say, it's come out well from our own learners. Yeah, and also, Malcolm, who did this music which you're talking about, he actually, his exams got over in March 10th. And after that, he started working on this music. He created, within that much time. That our annual day was only, I think, 8-10 days. Yeah, he got it. And then he
Brilliant.
completed it.
Ah,
That's
so-
what we saw on that day. Yeah,
And that came out really well.
exactly.
All right. So, ma'am, the next general concern is your campus is at Payad.
Yeah.
And why do you conduct such a big show at a place somewhere inside the city?
Yeah. See, for us, we look for a venue where the child safety is of utmost importance for us. We have our Payard campus here, and it's massive also. We have our turf here, actually. So that's not a place where we would like to have our annual day, and the climatic conditions are also may not be favorable.
Correct.
But the space which we picked up, Durdigam Convention Center, it has got a massive stage.
Yeah.
And all the accessories, all the things, that we require is available there. Space, green rooms, many green rooms, and even bringing children from the green room to the stage also, it has got a part where it is safely we can bring them. So, and even I would say the parents also, so easy accessibility also is there for them to reach there. So, for us, safety is priority. And I'm not telling that, here we don't have safety. Safety is there definitely in our school campuses. So, but when it is an annual day, our children are not, you can see, our children are not confined. We don't bring them in a confined environment. So it is more of an open, and they enjoy it better, they perform better in that particular
The
stage.
whole experience becomes a little more.
Yes, it's a better experience altogether. And I want to add on, See, before picking this particular stage or convention center, Girdivam Convention Center, our learners, our elite learners, they went on a recce. They went to different auditoriums, these kind of places. They had a checklist. They went and checked round, which can be the customized one for Green Valley.
Oh.
So, and they came to the conclusion that this particular convention center is good for safety for children and good for, the area is good for even our parents, the view is better. So, stage is good, massive. So, this is
That's
what
their choice.
Yes,
Yes. So,
and if you have seen the seating arrangement also, see many schools you see that there is an elite group sitting in the front with the sofa and all this. But in Green Valley, that is that scene you won't get in any of the functions or annual days, any place, any event you check, you will not get that image
I get it.
because we don't give importance to a particular person and a particular group. We give importance to everyone. I would say everyone is considered equally. There is no favoritism. There is no partiality. So that is why, you don't see that kind of a system in Green
I
Valley.
get it, yeah.
And even we don't invite dignitaries and, those kind of people.
Yes, even in fact, the lighting the lamp was also done by your
Yes. So we don't buy now. That
That is
also
something you don't get to see in
correct.
here.
This also has got something, our value is little different there because I would say for all our projects, we have got project-based learning. We bring in experts from outside. So whichever field a person is an expert, we invite them to our school here at our campus. And children have a very close contact discussion and in detail, in depth, talking, understanding, ideas, sharing ideas, developing from them. And it's not just, I would say like we have approximately 30 projects across. So 30 people walking, 30 experts walking into the campus. So this is what we add value into than rather putting, a dignitary on the stage.
Yes.
And whatever the dignitary is explaining on the stage,
Exactly.
our children are not listeners. They are at the backstage, ready for the program. It's only for the parents. But what we want is for our children, our learners, correct? So that is one thing that we don't invite, dignitaries for
A lot of sense because
Yes.
they're not seeing them just as celebrity,
Correct.
but their personalities more.
Yes. And we, at the end of the day, what matters most for us is our learners. Are they going to benefit in this particular pattern if you do something? If they're benefiting, good. According to us, that's how it is.
Brilliant, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, so generally we don't get to see a scene where the learners light the lamp for a big show like this. As you said, when you mentioned that usually dignitaries are invited and all, I noticed something like that because does it happen? Like, do you really have some story behind this, or is it just because you give so much of importance to your learners as you should?
We have an interesting, storyline, our story behind that as well. The logic behind that is basically, see, our learners who have a city campus I'm talking about, we have from the 3 city campus when they did in the morning hours, right, for the annual day. The light lamping was done by a few learners. And those learners are picked in connection with the children who have spent maximum time in Green Valley. So grade 2 learners especially who have continued. You started with us from pre-KG to grade 2 are the ones, who get to light the lamp. So in Payard campus, what we are looking at is we usually opt for a girl child who has spent the maximum time with us in Green Valley. But this year, if you have noticed, there were 2 boys. So this year, we didn't have a girl child in our 11th and 12th. So these children who were with us for a longer time, who have spent maximum time, they got the opportunity to light the lamp.
Beautiful.
It is a bit, it's really nice,
It's
that
the
is
prominence that you give to your learners.
Correct.
It's really reflecting.
correct. That's good, yeah.
So I heard people and culture is a designation here.
Yes.
Tell me
In fact,
something about that.
in Green Valley, I hold that position.
Wow.
Vice principal. You see, in most of the schools, you see VP or vice principal post is connected to academics. But here we have a separate post which I hold. That is vice principal, people and culture. So that to an extent, you can understand from that words itself, it's connected to people and the culture which we are expected to follow in that. So I start with looking into hiring and absorbing the best lot. We don't hire I would say we focus on graduates and postgraduates and all those things. But we look for people who have got appropriate those kind of skills, which can see, the vision of Green Valley is 10,000 world-class leaders and innovators through personalized
#world.
Yes. So we need those kind of people as facilitators here. We want to absorb only those kind of people who have got that passion and to guide our learners into it. So basically what we look at is their skill, their aptitude, and even people who have got a good growth mindset and who are willing to go that extra part. Effort matters a lot for us, If they're willing to put it, because we have a planned series of trainings also happening along with this. Yeah. So if those people have got the correct attitude and aptitude to train, or the coaching is given, they can absorb it and mold themselves to our line is what we look at. So
it's very different.
Correct. So we look for people who we look for scientists, engineers, people who are experts in certain fields, certain areas. Those are the people we absorb. You may not even have heard in schools, because you usually say maybe
yes,
that kind of thing. But here
the qualification matters there, not the quality.
Yeah, yes. Here we're looking more of, that kind of skills, basically.
Yes.
That's what we want our children to imbibe, is what we look in them, whether they have it or not. So we have a intense series of, our interview itself almost 5 to 6 levels. Wow. So different people, watching, talking to them, they understand from different angle how well, and that's how the absorption happens.
This is very interesting, rather more inspiring, ma'am. So let me ask you, are you full? Are you really looking for more openings? Do you really have more people to connect
Green
with?
Valley, it's always open for people, we try to absorb people always throughout the year.
Okay, okay.
Because our plan is to expand in this coming 2 to 3 years. We are always looking for good people, experts to walk in. So we're looking, we're looking for chefs actually, and designers, engineers, scientists, architects, indigenous farmers.
Oh,
Yeah. And programmers, anyone,
Okay.
who are expert in that particular field or professionals.
a very broad spectrum is open.
Yes. We welcome them because, I told before, we want those skills is what we are looking at, where we want to imbibe in our learners. So, yes, it's always open throughout the year. We keep absorbing
Wow.
people, yes.
More inspiring.
Yeah. From kindergarten to grade 12, throughout, across the school and other people as well. Yeah.
Very nice.